and he was about to give up, all tired and weary after so long. But something in him, a little voice, a little birdie in his head told him, never mind, try one more time. This time you may just succeed. And so he did. He listened to the voice in his head, the voice in his heart, and decided to try one more time. So
I find the speaker very good. He's engaging. I think he's able to activate the audience and keep the audience interested in what he's speaking.
Sure.
Gave very interesting and very relatable examples that they can follow and understand what he's trying to do.
one of the things Uncle Roland would do to make people feel important and special is this: when your birthday comes around, he's going to go to a bookstore, pick up a card, write a custom message in it, put it in the envelope, paste a stamp on it, and mail it out to you to make sure you receive it 1 week before your birthday. He always said, do not message people on your birthdays. And I asked him, Uncle Roland, why can't you message people on your birthdays? He said, well, because it's very easy. People are busy on their birthdays. They got 500 other people that are texting them. You become one of the many. You want to stand out from the clutter, you do it separately, do it differently, you do it 1 week ahead of time.
It was really giving a kind of perception on how to prepare So I think it gives from overall, from starting right from scratch, building up a resume till the end. I think this gives a wonderful.
When you look at somebody in the eye, they will see nothing but your eyes. There is somebody out there that needs your services, that needs your time, that needs your employment, so that you can be of value to them. And when you find the right fit for yourself, they will find you to be the most valuable person in their organization, and that's where you are going to find your joy and your happiness. Alright? So find the right fit for yourself. Don't get upset, don't give up, keep persisting, and I hope today's session has been useful for you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a pleasure speaking to you today.